The latest entry in Canon's mid-range consumer DSLR lineup doesn't inspire much excitement. That's not really the point of the EOS Rebel T6i, aka the 750D everywhere but the US. It remains a reliable option for people looking for a functional camera capable of handling pet photography, kids soccer games and vacation snapshots. In photo quality it doesn't compare favorably with competitors, but unless you make side-by-side comparisons you probably won't notice or care. It's faster than previous models, both for viewfinder and back display shooting, and gains Wi-Fi connectivity, both of which make it more attractive than its predecessor and worth a look if you're thinking of upgrading from an older model. Though they have notably different body designs, the T6i750D and its more expensive sibling the T6s760D are ultimately only slightly different. The T6s controls and layout are designed to appeal to a higher-end photographer, with advanced conventions like a top-status LCD, lockable mode dial and a lockable control dial on the back, with hopefully less cheap-feeling buttons. You can find the T6i at about $750 for the basic kit with an 18-55mm STM lens, 500 pounds, $1,000, the same price as the body-only version in the US and UK. Body-only is roughly $50 cheaper. The kit with the 18-135mm STM lens costs about $950, 740 pounds, $1,300.